Hello, I'm Bryce Milan with Opulent Philanthropy Inc, an organization providing disaster relief to families affected by the devastating floods across Texas. Opulent Philanthropy Inc has helped provide more than 400,000 meals, along with clean water, emergency shelter, and care packages filled with essential supplies for families facing disasters. We are supporting families in Kerr County, Austin, Texas, San Antonio, Texas, Comfort, Texas, and Gillespie, Texas. Here's how your donation helps. $25 provides a care package with essential supplies for a family. $50 provides emergency food and clean water. $250 provides temporary shelter for a displaced family. $500 provides emergency shelter, food, clean water, hygiene supplies, and essential relief for multiple families. $1,000 provides long-term food assistance, clean water, shelter, hygiene supplies, and other critical resources. Many employers offer matching gift programs that can double or even triple charitable donations at no additional cost to you. To make a donation, please visit www.opulentusa.org/Texas or visit GoFundMe, nonprofit, and search for Opulent Philanthropy. Thank you for your generosity.